Hello everybody, my name is Bogdan. I am founder of the Roofing Special Forces company. We are from Ukraine and work mainly in the city Odessa. We repair flat roofs. Now, using this roof as an example, I will show you exactly what are we do. Excuse me, my English is not perfect, but I learn and I want show you our work. This is the roof of a standard 5-story building of Soviet type. Such houses were popular because of their low cost after the Second World War, during the reconstruction period. Due to the economy, this is no technical floor here, and the roof of the house is already the ceiling of the residence of the 5th floor. Therefore, when the roof begins to leak, the moisture immediately leaves to the apartment. Let's see why the roof is leaking over apartments. As you can see, the roof is made of bitumen membrane, and if you look closely, you can see the damage to the material as a result of the wear of the roof. Damage right here, right here, right here. Damage right here. Damage right here. Damage right here. And damage here, here, and here. Damage. Big damage. What will we do? The roof will be repaired in one layer. Additionally, the joints will be restored. Well, in order for the roof to work longer, it will be necessary to remove moisture from the roof with the help of ventilation. Now we will be engaged in raising the material to the roof, and we will see you tomorrow when the craftsman will be working. See you tomorrow. The next day on our roof, I will show you what we do. The roof finished at 90%. Let's begin flame works. This is a secret our company. Perfect job. We will make roof ventilation now. you will see the rain over here, and we need to protect the roof because this ventilation and this ventilation need to finish it. The next day our roof is finished. We have a good result. We make this roof today. Perfect. Beautiful. See you in the next video.